If you are doing video editing, you always want to add some background music, background audio, or whatever, right? On a video. So here I was planning to make and subscribe, like and subscribe video intro, but I don't have only audio, I have video. So how to just put the uh, audio from my um, recorded video to this subscribe template. So,
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
I will show it to you. You can see this is the subscribe template I have used from the Canva, and then this is my video where I have recorded the like and subscribe intro. So let's play it, how it looks like at the beginning. So you can see the subscribe template doesn't have any sound, nothing. Okay.
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
So they are separate. Now I will merge them. How to do this? Okay. So there is no way, you can see there is no way to add any audio or whatever on this page, right? There is no option, nothing else. This is a page, right? Animated image or whatever. So there is no way to add any audio on it. Okay. So how we'll do it in Canva? So first of all, I uh, remove this page. I don't need it, and then I selected this one and drag my uploaded video over it.
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
So that's how it looks, right? But you don't want it this way. You want to see, or you want to show everything, right? From the template. So what you will do is click on the position, select the video, click on the position, and select the layers. You can see my video is here. So I will just move my video below the background. Okay, here you go. No, sorry. So before that, what you need to do, you need to minimize, minimize, minimize the video. Okay, done. Then you drag it, move the background. Okay, there were one thing I think we missed. What we missed? This background is supposed to be an image, right? That we missed. So what we'll do? Command Shift Hit. We go there. We do. Okay. So what happened here? Here is happened. Somehow this icon got replaced by my audio, by my video, right? So we don't want to do this. You select there. We want to keep it as it is, right? So what you want to do? You select the video.
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
Then just minimize it. You don't need to minimize it just for the sake. Minimize it. Okay, you see how what I did? I select this one and then I just click on the video and it will automatically come in here. Do not drag it. If you drag it, it will replace your background. Now, okay, click on the position. Sorry. Now select the whole video. Click on the position. You see my videos on the foreground at the top of the video. Okay, so that's what you need to do. You put the video top and then drag it down here. Okay, so your video is vanished. And now you play it.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
See how amazing it is.
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
That's it, as easy as it can be. Okay, so now you know how to add audio on a Canva templates. Bye bye, take care.